Hello everyone, myself Pranali Kakade, a student of SAS Institute of Management Studies. Today I will tell you a short story on Bollywood movie is Dangal. So Mahavir Singh Phogat, a former Amritsar wrestler, trained in the Pahlwani style of Indian wrestling, was a national wrestling champion residing in Balali. He was forced by his father to give up the sports in order to obtain gainful employment. Dejected that he could not win a medal for his country, he vows that his unborn son will. Disappointed upon having four daughters, he gives up hope. But when his older daughter Geeta and Babita come home after beating up two boys in response of derogatory comments, he realized their potential to become a wrestler and begins coaching them. His method seems harsh, including grueling early morning workouts and short haircuts. Despite facing backlash from the villagers, he goes ahead with them, training them in his makeshift mud pit. Initially, the girls resent their fathers for his treatment, but soon realize that he cares for their future. Motivated, they willingly participate in wrestling tournaments where they defeat boys. Unable to afford afford wrestling mats, he uses mattresses and trains them in freestyle wrestling to prepare them for competitive event. Geeta goes on to win the junior and senior championship at the state and national level before heading to the National Sports Academy in Patiala to train for the forthcoming Commonwealth Games. Once there, Geeta makes friends and begins to disregard the discipline she has been taught by Mahavir under duties from her coach Pramod Kadam, whose training methods and wrestling techniques completely differ from her father's. As a result, she loses every match at the international level. During, during a visit home, she defeats a visibly exhausted Mahavir in a ferocious bout about egoistically mocking him. Babita reminds Geeta of her mistakes and that she should respect Mahavir. Soon after, Babita wins the national championship and follows Geeta to the academy. After the two sisters have an emotional conversation in which Babita provides her encouragement. Geeta gratefully makes peace with Mahavir. Before Commonwealth Games, Pramod forces Geeta to compete in the 51 kg weight class rather than her usual 55 kg. Irritated upon learning this, Mahavir goes to Patiala with his nephew Omkar and begins coaching the girl secretly. Learning about this and furious with Mahavir's interference, Pramod wants the girl expelled. The sports authority issues a warning but allow them to continue. Mahavir is barred from entering the academy and the girls are forbidden to go out. Determined to continue assisting his daughters, Mahavir obtains taps of Gita's previous unsuccessful boards and uh, coaches her by pointing out her errors over the phone. At the games, at the games competing in the 55 kg class, Geeta eases her way into the final. Mahavir constantly contradicts Pramod's instruction while sitting in the audience, and she follows her father's instruction instead. Just before the gold medal about Julius Pramod conspires to lock Mahavir in closest. In the about, Geeta manages to win the first session but loses the second, trailing 1-5 in the final session and with 9 seconds left. She recalls the tactic taught by her father and a 5-pointer and executes it on her opponent in the final 3 seconds, taking the score to 6-5 in her favor, thus winning the session and the about 2-1 in the 2-1. In the process, she becomes the first Indian female wrestler to win gold at the games. Mahavir returns just in time to embarrass his daughters, frustrating Pramod's hopes of obtaining credit before the News India. Thank you so much.